Hello everyone, welcome to Birdie Friends. So we went out with our birdie friend Tweety again because we try to travel wherever possible along with Tweety so that she doesn't feel lonely alone, and she loves traveling with us. In this video, I'm sharing with you about a day trip that we had with Tweety. Actually, we went to another city traveling by train, and from there we had a beautiful day trip to this small valley called Patratu Valley in Chota Nagpur Plateau. It's basically a beautiful drive with beautiful view, and if you're a tourist you can definitely go there and have an awesome time. It has a nice viewpoint, and you can go for boating and basically spend a nice time with your family or friends and enjoy. You can also go for shopping for some local handcrafted beautiful things, and also go for horse ride, which my daughter did, but we stayed away from the horse because Tweety was getting really scared of the horse. And here we took a shikara ride, speedboats and normal boating and shikara rides all were available, but we did not go for the speedboat because again of Tweety, because that would be very adventurous kind of boat ride and Tweety will not be comfortable. So considering everything, we took a very nice leisurely boat ride on a shikara, and she enjoyed thoroughly. She was very curious and she kept on eating and had a very chilled out attitude throughout the day trip, and we really enjoyed, including Tweety. From there, we went for a very late lunch at a restaurant by the roadside, which was actually a dhaba on the highway with a beautiful view. And then we headed back home following the same meandering, beautiful road with an awesome view. Tweety chose to sit on my shoulder throughout the journey back home, which was 1.5 hour long drive, and she was just chilling, preening herself. She preened my hair too, and that's how we had an awesome day trip together. That's all for today. See you soon. Bye bye.